I can't begin to unpack how perplexing it is that Unity Day and National Night Out are held so close to each other. Welcome to the Unity Day video. I'm the official elected official, Jay, and I had a feeling that despite the rain, Unity Day would be held on its scheduled day of August 11th, 2018. Primarily because they had hip-hop legend Slick Rick perform and weren't going to sacrifice the deposit. I got there around 1, but never got a solid time on when Slick would perform. Checked out the vendors in attendance. There was the nicest lady selling feminine shirts and purses, all with cute little phrases and saying, "It's adorable." I have her info on screen, as well as a local gardening crew that I happened upon. Told them that I will look them out. Please check out these local entrepreneurs. We got gold right here, baby. There were also spots for Irvington Health to register to vote, fun, food, seniors, and single mothers. Ran across Dr. October Hudley, saw a few other notables, and really, that's about it. As is everything in this town, it's not for my demo, so I can only assume everyone had a blast. I wanted to stick around for the performance, but without knowing when he was going on, coupled with witnessing a toddler twerking, I called it a day. I'm not glossing over that. Yes, a 3 or 4-year-old doing a twerk dance move with what I assume is the parents right there cheering it on is what gynocentrism has brought. Bottom of the barrel standards and conditions. Women can convince men to do anything, up to and including ignoring their instincts and their honor. I don't know if lone dude with them was the girl's father. Highly unlikely. It's the great hypocrisy of the entire culture. The way they use children as a crutch while simultaneously proving that they only see kids as property up until they start talking. Had I said anything, it would have become a thing. So I just shook my head in disappointment and went my own way. Wink. Unity Day last year featured the Charlottesville incident. This year, they tried to recreate the drama and only 20 people showed up. I don't know why the media would ever expect anything but the bottom of the barrel when the KKK and Aryan Nation have never operated in a fame-hungry fashion. But race is so hot right now. What gets the clicks, you know? So they're really just fanning flames that really we need to be smothered. In summation, from all accounts, Irvington's 2018 Unity Day was a huge success. Everyone had a blast, and that's the point, a great time. The latest episode of Unbound is on deck. Thank you so much for putting up with me. Please do all the YouTube things. Like, sub, share, speak, and until the next video, love. I squeeze cat, I squeeze cat, I squeeze cat, I squeeze cat, I squeeze cat. Till my clips is done. Till my clips is done.